Alright, today we're going to continue some themes. Are you excited to get your WRX stuck in some mud?
Yeah, that's fucking hype, dude.
Like your boy's car got stuck in the snow?
Yeah, I get to get pulled out by an Evo. It's gonna be rich.
You got the right car for the job. I wouldn't stop right here if I were you, to be honest. I would keep rolling at least.
Oh my fucking god. My poor car. My torque. Oh, look at Buddy, he's eating shit. Am I going straight?
Yeah. Oh my god, it's way worse than I thought. Oh my god.
It's fucking dope.
It's
Some
way
kids couldn't hang.
It's way more money than I expected it to be.
Oh, I thought it was gonna be like fucking.
Alright, yeah, hopefully it hardens up a little bit.
Yeah, otherwise I don't think I'm gonna be able to go up hills.
You're like going sideways right
I know, I'm not even trying. Puddle. Super
Do
right,
it,
baby.
you won't! Do it! Yeah! What's coming?
Oh no, shit!
We're close
My
enough.
cloth seats! Oh fuck, you got a souvenir, dude.
We made it on their story. The truck gang is here. Don't go off the edge though. That's the only rule.
This shit kinda hard.
You want me to do it?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll do it.
Nothing better.
It's a beautiful thing, ain't it? That thing through the canyons too. It's a fucking go-kart.
He's got an Evo. That shit is insane.
Evo 9?
He has an Evo 10.
Yeah. My buddy. You got any new exhaust on there?
Yeah, NVIDIA.
Hey, is that Tommy dog?
NVIDIA all the way, dog. There he goes.
Wow, dude, he drove this, bro. He definitely did that. That's sick. Is that truck in it? Is the truck doing something? I think he's waiting for you. Or window up.
Yeah, roll the window up,
Roll the
motherfucker.
window up. Roll the window up.
that my fender liner?
What did I just hit?
Front left fender liner.
Fender came off.
Hey, let the truck send it.
Wait. Back up. Back up.
A foot.
You're on it.
Back up a foot.
Back up a little bit. All
There
right,
you go.
stop.
All right, let the truck send it.
I really don't feel like getting my feet wet, but your fender well is.
Hey, yeah, he's good.
Oh, that was it.
Yes, sir.
You don't need fender liner.
Yeah, it's already there.
Fender liner?
That guy's gnarly.
Grab it. It's underneath the car. If you just reach,
You just
probably
shredded through
grab it.
that.
I don't know if it's from the car or
sick.
if it was there.
Check my front fender
It was
liner.
already there, 100%. I saw it. And I thought it was.
Hey, it's under the car.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was mine, or yeah, that's not mine.
No, yours is still on.
Okay, there you go. That's what we like to hear.
Yeah, it was someone. It was already there.
Oh, there it is.
100%.
Yeah, this is much bigger.
Hard part.
Good thing we got a pressure washer.
What?
It's a whole new world out here. Use your clutch!
Last few were really good.
Yeah! Look at you! Woo!
You were right, dude. Just kick the clutch a little and that shit fucking goes.
Even those guys are like cheering you on
they?
in the trucks, yeah. All you gotta do is full send through the puddle now.
Oh, absolutely.
That's our hero. You can now drive your WRX through
We're
that.
sending it.
Wait, yeah, that looks like
Oh,
a
what the
lawnmower bag or something.
Yeah. I thought that was a box.
Yeah, dude, the windows are down. What? Are you a proud Subi owner now?
I am a proud Subi owner. I did some Subi shit.
Ooh.
you a changed man now?
Absolutely.
No more into slammed cars?
Yeah, this is my life. I'm actually gonna get it lifted. Lifted 8 inches, and I'm gonna put 23s on this fucker. And have like a 400 sidewall. It's gonna be fucking dope. I just like.
Your headlights are actually useless right now.
I was looking at that. I'm like, it's a good thing it wasn't dark. I didn't feel like cleaning them off.
Wave, yeah. I swear they never really understand me. I need a comma like I need a Grammy. She lays the flow with her designer panties. Yeah, we eating plenty, check the pantry. From the sound waves to the rebel lines, from the tattered bridges to expensive dishes. Now we eating ends with these new beginnings. Yet to sign a major for the bankroll, but thank the Lord that it dies at penitentiary. Night sky, but my inside is empty. Mighty flashy with a bird's eye. Scribble gems to get my pockets lined till I get arthritis. Switch my heart is icy, walking past the bouncer like I knew somebody. Crew like hella cloudy, or the poison ivy. Went from like a stronger with a cosign me. I don't even